Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to generate unlimited videos in 4 powerful ways, and the best part is the third on the list. If you are just coming across my videos for the first time, you are in the right place. Consider subscribing to my channel as I share insightful tips on creative AI.
Alright, so the first tool we are going to be using is Qwen AI. So what you're going to do right now is come over to your browser and search for Qwen. You search for it, then you open the first link right there. When you open it, you are going to sign in so that you'll be eligible to use it to generate your videos. It's just exactly like ChatGPT. You can see the interface right here, so you can see the lot of things you can do. So you come over to your login or sign up, anyone you choose, you are going to sign in. So you come over and click on continue with your Google. So when you come over and click on continue with Google, you are going to select the email of your choice. So when you select the email of your choice, then you continue. When you continue, then you are going to log in straight into the Qwen AI. And this Qwen AI is so beautiful. It has a lot of, you confirm this. So when you confirm this right here, you are going to access the verification, that is to verify that you are a real human, not a robot. So let's drag this. You drag this to the right edge. So verification failed, you refresh it again and retry again, so you can see verified. Alright, so it's going to reload the page for us. You are now logged in, then you are going to log in totally to the interface. Alright, so this is so very interesting. Alright, so you are going to come over and click on more. You can see you can do web development, deep research, image generation, articraft, video generation, coding, make a lot of things, a lot of features right here that you can use this Qwen to do. Alright, our main focus is on video generation, so let's come straight away. Alright, this is the interface. What am I going to do? Let's go and get in our prompt. So you can see you can set in the ratio. If it is 1:1, 3:4, 4:3, 16:9, 9:16. So we are going for 16:9. So let's come over to my notepad and copy a prompt that I've already prepared on ground. So alright, so let me copy this first one right here. When I copy this first one right here, I bring it over to and paste it over here. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on generate. So as you can see, you're going to wait for some minutes while the video generates. So I'm going to fast forward this for the process for us to see that right away. Alright, so let's hold on for some seconds and see. Alright, our video is now ready, so you can play it. You can see, look at how beautiful and how amazing it like. And the sweet part of it, that it does not come with watermark, no watermark. So you can come over, you see the download button right here. You can just come over, click on download button, then it's going to download to your device. So you can see that it has been done and you have it already in your device. So you can generate multiple scenes. So but it's one at a time. So let's come over and copy the second prompt and see again. So you cannot be generating multiple scenes at a time, so you have to generate one after the other. So let's paste this right here and see the outcome also. All right, let's wait and see what it's going to give us. So that is how Qwen AI works. So you can explore, keep exploring to see how it works. If you are doing development, you are doing web development, you are doing anything, you can use this Qwen AI. But the purpose of this video is just for us to generate video with it. Alright, so as you are still waiting for this video, I think we'll move on to the next tool. So this is beautiful. You can, alright, so
if you're still watching this video and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, this is the moment. Let's move on to the second tool.
Alright, the next tool we are using is Vheer AI. Vheer AI. Come over to your browser and search for Vheer. So when you search for Vheer, you're going to see this. Let's search for Vheer AI. You can see the first one you're seeing, this is the 100% free image generator. You click on it, then it's going to redirect you to the website where you're going to do that. Alright, so you can see the interface right here. See it, free online AI image generator. That is, it has a lot of features. You can see them right here. Text to image, you can see them, a lot of tools under this. There are multiple tools under this text to image generator, and all are free, so you can see them right here. You can just keep exploring, and you can come over here and create multiple images all for free. Then you can see that's for text. Then you can see image to image. maybe you want to change to portrait to vertical, anyone. Our main thing is for image to video, right? So you come and open this in a new tab. When you open it in a new tab, you're going to see the interface. And note, I did not even log in. I did not log in at all. So I'm just going to come over and click on, you can see this button right here, generate video from image. All right, so I will click on it. Though once it is load, all right, you can see right here, it says upload your image. So you click and upload your image. Let's pick an image from my device, from my laptop right here. So let me scroll down and pick one image. All right, let me go for the second one. No, not this one. Let me go for the second one. Then I come over and click on open. Then let's wait for some seconds for it to load right here, so we can see that. Let's hold on. All right, so our image has been uploaded. So now what you're going to do is you're going to write a prompt in here, what you want the image. So it's just a practical sake. So we just want make the image to say something. Say my name is David Creative Lab. It's just for tutorial sake, so you know what you want to put to it. So you can see the video format MP4 and the video length. It can only generate 5 seconds for you at a time. You understand? 5 seconds. Then you can see the dimension, the frame rate, and everything. You need to check that. So once you're done, you click on generate. Then you see in just few minutes or few seconds, you can see our video is now ready. Remember, note, I did not log in at all. So that's to show you how powerful it is. The next tool we have right here is Google AI Studio. So you come over to your Chrome browser and search for Google AI Studio. Yeah, Google AI Studio. This is the most powerful tool that I said you have to watch to the very end so that you don't make any mistake. This is the best tool right here, and it's free, totally free. All right, let's come over and click on the first one here. So when you come over and click on the first one, you sign in with your email, right? You sign in with your email, any email. You can sign in with any email of your choice. So now after signing in with your email, you can see you click on this generate media. You can see Imagen, Gemini, but we are focused on this view. All right, so when you click on view, you come over and copy. So let me open my notepad and let's copy our prompt again. All right, I've copied that. Then okay, you can enable your Google Drive. So let's enable that. All right, so let me do that right away. So I've enabled that. Then you come over and paste in the prompt. When you paste in the prompt, you click on run. So make sure you set the aspect ratio to 16:9. It is only VO2 that I can generate for you. So all right, so let's set the duration, the quality, and everything. So you click on run. Let's see the video. All right, so let's see it's running. Let's wait. All right, so you can see it's telling us failed to generate video due to what? Exceeded due to high demand. View is currently at capacity. So what you're going to do is come over to your VPN right here. Get this VPN. So when you get this VPN, turn the VPN on so that you can be able to generate the video, so that I can bypass those people that are, the capacity of the people choking with the website right there, so that you can bypass that. So you come over and click on run. So you can see our video is running without even distraction, without anything, because of the VPN we just switch on right now. All right, so let's wait for the video to run fully. All right, you can see our video is fully ready. The same video, the same prompt we used for a Qwen. Look at the same thing right here. You can see the quality of the video, like so stunning. So you can see you can see the download button right here. You click on it and you can see it has been downloaded to your device. Whether you are using phone, whether you are using laptop, it is so simple and so easy, right? So that is how you can do. So you continue, you come over and paste in your second prompt again, continuously like that. Then you paste in. Anytime you're having issue, if your it's not connecting, just use your VPN and run it. So I will click on run. All right, so that is for that. All right, so make sure that the VPN is still active, is still on, so that your video will successfully run. All right, so now without wasting much of our time, let's look at the fourth tool, which is Whisk AI. Whisk AI is also a powerful tool that you need to know about. Now let's go to Google and search for Whisk AI. It's in Google Labs. So you come over and open it, then you sign in with Google. So when you sign in with Google, the next thing you select your email, the email of your choice. When you select the email of your choice, then you go out. Let's wait for it to load. successfully. I've selected the email I want to use, so you can see it right here. These are Google Labs. So you come over and open the Whisk in a new tab. You can see Flow right here. All of them, they are here. So you click on the Whisk. When you click on the Whisk, you are going to have signed in my email already. Then you click on Enter Tool. When you enter Tool, let's see what is going to bring up next for us. So you come over here and cancel this right here. No, not continue. You come over and cancel this. So when you cancel it, remember the prompt we paste. So you can close this one. The same prompt we used over there, we want to repeat the same prompt here. So you come over. The first thing you're going to do is that this will first create image for you. Note that it will first create image for you, so you can see the same image the same way that video was. You can see it right here. So you can see if you click on this video, no video here right yet. So now what you are going to do is you now go back to the image. You go back to this image right here. Now you will look at if you look at the image right here, you see animate. So you click on the animate, then you see ingest, and then you give it a prompt. What do you want the image to say? All right, so I'm going to tell the image that make the cat run over to the mouse while the mouse run for its life. It's just for educational, so you can just make sure you give it a prompt. So you click on generate. So in just few minutes or few seconds, your video will be ready. So let's hold on. I think I'm going to fast forward it and see how it is. So you can see it right here. From image, I've turned it to animation. So you can see how video how image has turned to video. So you can see this is how powerful Whisk is also. So that's why I call it a powerful tool.
Thank you for watching to the end. If you're yet to subscribe, do well by doing that. It motivates me to keep dropping powerful updates like this. See you in the next video.